Hey YouTube, and welcome back to the Sneaky V YouTube channel. Today's the day, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to get this engine, my old engine, out of this car. As you can see, I've already started. I've started getting the front clip off, and I decided I should probably start recording as well. So I'm gonna set you guys on the time lapse as I go through this, because it's gonna take a while, and this battery will definitely go dead if I try to leave it on like regular video. And I'm gonna see what I can get done today. So I've been working on this thing for a couple days now, and I decided to stop the time lapse to give you guys an update on how far it's come. So far I've gotten out the radiator and stuff out, the radiator, the fan trowel. I've disconnected the power steering line, got all the I think all of the electrical connections disconnected, and right now I'm up under the car working on getting the transmission mount loose, and getting the drive shaft disconnected from the transmission. It's obviously taking a while because I'm doing it mostly by myself. Every now and then my cousin will stop by and help me, but yeah, so I'm just gonna keep plugging away at it. Wish me luck that the new engine just drops right in pretty easily. I got some adjustable engine mount adapters, so hopefully it's not a problem and everything goes back together pretty easy. So I'm gonna stick you guys back on a time lapse and continue going at it. Alright, so this is obviously one of those cars that you have to take loose down to the very last bolt to get like just the engine out. But anyways, I've been under the car working. I had you guys on time lapse. But since I was on the car, you guys won't really be able to see me, so I think I'm just gonna cut that part out. I did manage to get the exhaust out. I had to get the exhaust out so that I could get to the drive shaft bolts that hold, like the bolts that hold the drive shaft and transmission together. On the they call it a guibo, but it's actually pronounced jubo, G-I-U-B-O, but we can call it a guibo, whatever. But I did get that out, so I'm going back under there to get the bolts that connect the drive shaft to the transmission loose. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away at it. I'm gonna set you guys back down and put you on time lapse and keep moving along. All right, so my camera died, but I kept working. It was a tough job, but we managed to get it out. I got my cousin here working with me. Say hi, cousin. Yeah, that dude there is my ace moving coon right there. He show up whenever I need help, whenever I'm down here down south, and we almost got it out of there. I think we just got a little bit more lifting to do, and it should come on out. Then I can start seeing about getting the other one in. So let's get back to work, I guess. Pulling the transmission and the engine out at the same time. Trying to avoid messing up my AC thing here. Hey, yes. That hurt a little. Yeah, I gotta get that loose. Come on. That ain't the last one. I don't even know what to do. Hold on, another one. Alright, that's what you gotta switch there. Think so? Yo, Jesus.
All right.
Yes, sir. Well, this one was straight loose. I wouldn't get it.
What?
Dry shot.
Oh.
Shit, keep moving. Let's get in sync here.
There it is. She free. Oh.
Keep going.
Huh?
Ain't no sense of being at 6 feet in the air.
Oh yeah.
I don't like that.
Right. It's
That
scary.
jump, yeah.
GoPro. It's a GoPro.
Yeah, what you call a healthy little camera. It don't nothing no too much bother.
Don't bend that. Don't bend that. Don't bend that.
Oh boy.
Mission accomplished.
That's my life. Let's see. That transmission is actually narrower than this one, and it might be shorter.
Now you gotta do the interview. Gotta tell them what we done did. Where you gonna put it at?
I don't know. Might have to disconnect from the transmission. So that's where that's where that way. So you did something there.
Thank you.
Oh, whoa. Sit on the ground.
You want it in front of your car? You don't.
Anyways, so we got the transmission out, as you can see here. Not transmission, the whole engine and the transmission. Had to come out with a piece of the freaking drive shaft because we couldn't get that loose under the car. But it's out. I'm gonna go ahead and probably break the transmission and the engine apart and like store them somewhere because it's a bit easier to move them around and store them when they're apart. And I'm just gonna call it a day for this video until the new engine get ready to go back in. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you send your friends my way if you think they would like this kind of content. And that'll be it for me today. Thank you for watching and have a good one.